What's going on? So today we got a video from Crime Time Cam, and the title of the video is Nurse Loses It When Arby's Gives Her the Wrong Order. All right, come on. Arby's ain't even good enough to be fighting over. I ain't gonna lie to you. I don't know how they still in business, boy. But anyway, let's get into the video.
On July 29th, 2024, officers responded to an Arby's restaurant for a call of an extremely disorderly customer.
I'm not making threats. She hit me. I've been threatened. Lower your voice. What you mean, lower my voice? I've been hit.
I understand.
You know what I'm saying?
You don't need to yell at me.
I'm not yelling at you. I'm loud. I'm not yelling at you.
Man, that girl 21 years old.
I wouldn't care if she was 15.
I'm not asking you again. Stop. Do not engage with anybody else. We're done.
Hey,
How's it going?
you the manager?
Yes, sir.
All right, can we? She's involved. Okay, let's talk over here. Did you witness any of this?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is my shit, so I'm like,
Yeah. I mean, I'm gonna talk to your employee, but you tell me what's going on here.
oh yeah, so she was, I guess she probably misheard the order a little bit, so she asked her, why was it so much? And then, so she started getting a little rude, she started yelling over the speaker and stuff like that. So I took over the headset, took the order, tried to make it right, you know, of course. And so she comes to the window, and I guess she kind of told her real quick how much she owed. So she was like, yeah, whatever, blah, blah, blah. And then I'm like, it's, you know, we fixed it. So she said, give me my money back. She yelling at her, she telling her to give me my money back, and all that. So she started cussing at her, talking about she whatever.
Her yelling at your employee.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. So she comes. So we thought this was over with once we gave her her money back. Because
Yeah.
it was just like, we don't serve guests like that.
Yeah.
And so she comes back in asking for, I'm finna file a report on this. And she this and that, and I want the 1-800 number. And me and the general manager was trying to calm this lady down.
Yeah.
Be like, and she still yelling. She still keep calling us. She trying to get over the counter, making threats, talking about she gonna be waiting outside when she get off and all kind of stuff like that.
Yeah.
So I guess eventually that just kind of pushed her to the limit.
I said get in your car
I will
now.
get in my
You
car.
are not to speak to anybody
Wait,
else.
did
Do you
tell him
understand
shut
me?
up, don't speak to me.
We're not doing that.
Well,
Okay?
tell him we not. Well, tell him don't speak to me.
Hey, stop now, or I'll put you in handcuffs in the back of my car until you can calm down.
Listen.
No, you listen
No,
to me.
you listen.
About to get her together. She too old to be acting like that now. Come on, man. Over some Arby's. Come on, get it together. This is a case of there's got to be something going on in her life. You know what I'm saying? That she's probably going through something or whatever, and then this little situation just kind of set her over the edge. But like she gotta calm it down, because if you got a temper tantrum like this and you a nurse, I don't need you sticking no needle in me, okay? You need to stay far away from me.
Ma'am,
No, wait a minute. No,
I said, listen,
whatever.
No.
What you gotta do? Do whatever you gotta
stop.
do.
Okay? I've had enough of the attitude.
I had enough too.
Be an adult.
I've been assaulted. What are you talking about? I've been assaulted.
You don't want to come
Oh yeah, you ain't gonna lift up
been
and boast,
assaulted.
big and boast in
I've
somebody's
been
face.
assaulted,
Get her
man.
together, man.
Acting like a toddler. Get out of the car.
Watch her right there.
She ain't acting right. Get her together.
Now come on.
Can I call her mom?
No.
I am at
You're
work,
good,
y'all.
sweetheart. You're good. You're good,
Y'all
sweetheart.
don't do my arm like that. Oh, don't,
What is that?
please don't do
No.
that. Oh my God. Oh,
It sure did.
God. Let me empty that out my pocket, please.
What is it?
It's snuff.
It's like
Yeah.
dip. It's like dip.
I got you. Is this your phone, sweetheart, right here?
Yeah, that's my phone, baby.
They gotta be down south, because they only. Yeah, I don't know too many black people that do dip. I ain't gonna lie to you. That's some down south shit. I ain't gonna lie. Like, that's typically, the white folks lane. You feel me? That's they thing. I don't know too many black people that do dip. Unless you down south. I personally only know one. And that was a dude. that I worked with when I was in corrections and stuff like that. I only know one cool dude. That's my guy. My guy. You know what I'm saying? But and I'm what, 30, 31? In 31 years, I've only seen one black dude ever do dip. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Where you work at?
I work for her. I just tried to do the nursing.
It wouldn't have been so tight if you weren't pulling away from me the entire time.
I wasn't pulling for you, baby.
Look,
Listen, I promise. Listen to me.
it took 3 of us to get you out of that car.
I'm sorry.
And you weren't listening to anything nobody was telling you.
Yes, I was.
No, you weren't.
Well,
Not,
sir,
we
I'm
wouldn't have took you out of the car.
Please. I'm
Okay.
sorry. Please.
So, no, there ain't
listen,
please.
My
baby.
voice changed now.
Listen, you a God-given man. Come on now. Don't do that. I promise.
You're right.
I got
I am.
upset, and she did me like this. And she smacked me
Okay.
over that counter. What you eat?
Okay. That gives you no right to fight us, though.
You're right. I'm not fighting you, baby. I promise.
Okay, hey, chill. I need you to chill. Just stop talking to her for right now
Oh,
so I
that's
can
too
get
tight.
the information.
Yeah.
I'm so sorry.
Listen,
But she was wrong. I
Listen.
promise she smacked me. At least they know it.
Do you have
I
any,
need you to take 10
hand
drops.
sanitizer in your
Okay,
car?
baby, I'm sorry. I just
Yeah,
upset.
right now,
Hold
I'm
on. Give me a
concerned.
minute. Give me a minute. Woo, I'm okay.
You stay right here with me.
Okay.
Yeah, but the thing is that they handled your case during the drive-through. You know what I'm saying? So you came around and took yourself inside. Come on, man. Come on, man. That's what it is. Everybody be upset until them handcuffs go on. Now everybody want to call their mama. They sorry. Can we work it out? You know, they voice get real soft now. You know, all that hooting and hollering. That's a wrap. That's dead now.
Hey, just do me a favor.
God-fearing
I'm not
man,
trying to be
God
rude.
ain't got
Listen to me.
nothing to do with this.
I'm so sorry. I'm
Okay,
just trying to work.
just breathe. Just breathe.
I'm just trying to work.
Just breathe.
That's
Samantha.
all.
I got you.
I'm just trying to work. Oh, God. And she smacked me, baby.
Okay. Okay.
She got
Let's
over the
just-
counter and she smacked me.
Let's just breathe for a second, okay?
Okay.
Just breathe. Just breathe.
Oh,
Yeah.
Ain't got nothing to do with
for what?
Just stop.
getting
We'll
up out your
explain it.
seat, getting up in the officer face and all that.
I'm trying to help you out.
Thank you, baby. I appreciate it. I promise you I'm not trying to be combative. No, I don't have, but she hit me on this side right here, but I don't have any bruise.
Okay, I just needed to check. That's all.
Okay. I don't think I have a bruise. I ain't looked in no mirror, but I'm black
Let me.
and they don't show up.
Skipped over. So you were in the drive-thru. You said she got belligerent. What happened after that?
I came in and I wanted to make my order.
Okay.
And I said, let me make an order. I said, lay on the window. It's very rude. I said, please let me make my order. Then when she come over there, all jumping up, holding her hands up. And then when she reached over the counter and hit me.
Okay, where'd she hit you?
In my face, on this side of my face.
Your right side?
Yes.
Okay, was it closed fist, open hand?
I don't know, baby.
Just reached
I don't know.
over?
She just hit.
Okay.
And then I lost it.
Okay. What happened after she hit you? Did you guys
Can I wipe
just
my
separate?
face? Excuse me?
Did you guys just separate, or did you guys?
No,
get
they
into
grabbed
it, or-
her and took her to the back when she hit me. And because I was trying to get over the counter and get her. I'm not gonna lie to you.
You good?
I'm not gonna lie to you. She hit me and I was trying to get her back.
Was there any fighting at all inside there?
There was I saw some little, when I walked up, I just seen some stuff.
It actually happened in the drive-thru, but then she came in talking about something she wanted to. She came in talking about some come outside that your ass da. So I did lose my patience and I swung over and hit her. But other than that, no.
Will you go ahead and put your hands behind your back for me, please?
Damn. Oh, man. I ain't expected to go like this. Oh, yeah, boy. Yeah, these YNs, boy. Hey, if you know the term, you know the term, man. These YNs was wilding. You know what I'm saying? Like, what? Get up out my face. Got up on her. Boop, 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 boop. Damn. At least she honest, though.
Yeah. I'm just gonna do it so I don't sign your hair.
So after you guys did the refund, She came inside.
Yeah, yeah. So she wouldn't. So it was more of kind of like I don't know what she thought she was going to try. We was trying to solve it. We really was.
Yeah.
But she's doing the same thing she's been doing this whole time, just yelling.
Yeah.
We can't understand her. She's not listening. She's not trying to listen. It's just, and then she just yelling at our employee, trying to jump over the counter.
Now, was there any fighting? I know she mentioned that she just swung at the customer.
Yes, yeah. So because she just kept just threatening her. I'm gonna be waiting for you when I'm outside.
Yeah.
And all this. And we're like, no, you're not. No, you're not about to be waiting on nobody.
Yeah.
We ain't.
Did you guys already call the police at that time?
Don't fire her.
The
Get on her.
manager was on the phone.
Okay.
So before we could get to that part, she had already tried to really threaten her and jump over the counter and stuff like that. So it's like,
which was the employee kind of like yelling back at her too, going back and forth, or
no, not really. She was kind, but I could tell it was starting to upset her because she didn't want to work no more. It's kind of like you threatening. She was like, she kind of said a little bit, but not. She didn't really say much. She was just threatening her the whole time.
Okay.
She literally was trying to jump over the counter, so I pulled her because I was not about to let her do that.
Okay, but there was a lot of like, I'm gonna wait for you. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for you when you get off work, all that stuff, and kept on yelling, so the young girl couldn't hold it in. So.
Because Lady in the Red is wanting us to take her for threatening her, but I wanted to see footage first.
Yeah, but definitely disorderly conduct, based on what the manager told me, because they gave her a refund at the window already. She came back in wanting the number to, I guess, corporate, whatever, and they tried to talk her away from the employee because the employee was trying to get an order, and they tried to talk her over there, but she continued to the counter and continued yelling at the employee, calling her and, I'm going to wait for you when you get off work. Continued calling her name, so she couldn't hold it in. So she was on the other side of the counter, and I guess she swung at the customer.
Well, seeing how she popped off at us, it's a lot more believable that she came in.
Yeah.
The woman was charged with disorderly conduct and trespassed from the property, while the employee was charged with battery. Thanks for watching today's.
Man, I hope that employee don't get fired. Nah, I mean that lady provoked it, man. She provoked it. You know what I'm saying? They already took care of the order at the in the drive-thru. You got your refund. You know what I'm saying? You coming back in, starting. The YNs ain't playing with you. They don't care if you young, old, whatever. They gonna get on you. They gonna get on you. If you don't know what YN mean, you might do your research, do your homework. You better Google it. YN slang term. Yeah, you can Google it. No YNs is not playing with you. They don't care. Okay? If they feel disrespected or whatever the case may be, they on your ass. You know what I'm saying? And so yeah, I get a cops I get a cops a 3. You know what I'm saying? Cause rightfully so, the lady hit her first, so she should go. And then, the lady, she hooting and hollering or whatever, the other lady, so take her too, you know what I'm saying? So definitely satisfactory, man. They get a 3.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.